excuses.
3 times a week.
Go ahead, guys, dig in. Let's see what you think. Are you ready? What's up, guys? It's Eric Selvey of Fitness, Food, and Fashion. I'm so excited for this one. We're making nice cream. That's right, nice cream. Why do they call it nice? Because it is so nice. It is so delicious. It is so good. So I'm excited because I got the Vitamix blender. So the Vitamix, if you're not familiar with it, is like the Dyson for blenders. It is ridiculously awesome. These things have like crazy strong motors in them. They just blend really good. The blades are sharper, they're stronger, all that kind of stuff. So what we're doing today is we're making nice cream with just super simple strawberries, frozen strawberries, and frozen bananas. Make sure when you make this that they are frozen. First time I didn't have them frozen all the way, so it's the consistency didn't turn out the way it should have turned out. It was a little mushy and not as good. Second thing off, to make it easier, is to cut them. So this is the point when most people are like, these bananas aren't looking so good now, and this is when you usually throw them away. This is the perfect time to peel them, throw them in the freezer. But before you do that, chop them up into little pieces. And that way when you throw them in the blender, it's a lot easier. This little thing right here, this is your little stomper. I'm gonna call it a stomper, it's got a name, but we're gonna call it a stomper. This usually goes in the top, and this is to push it down and get it to go into the blade depending on how much you're making. I made a really bad mistake, okay? I made a mistake, but you know what? You can learn from me, learn from my mistakes. What I did, I was pushing it down, I didn't put enough bananas and stuff in here, and I was pushing it down, I'm like, oh man, it's not getting to the blade enough. So what did I do? I took the top off, and I went like this and pushed it in, and just literally there was plastic. Like, I mean, it opened that thing up. I was so disappointed because I wanted to eat this nice cream, and then now there's plastic in it. I was like kind of pissed, disappointed, sad. Okay, don't do that, okay? Learn from me. Do not take this top off. What you need to do is add more. Put more bananas in there, more strawberries. If you run out of strawberries or bananas, add ice. That's another way to do it. And if your frozen strawberries or bananas aren't frozen enough, you can add ice as well. That'll help with the consistency. So, enough said, let's do this. I'm gonna start by adding a bunch of bananas. Kind of jam them in there. Oh my goodness. So average time it takes is usually a couple minutes. Cool thing about it, it takes no liquid at all. You don't have to put water, milk, or any kind of thing in there. It just blends it up. And look at the consistency. You ready for this? You ready? Yeah, crazy, right? So there you have it. That is nice cream. I have a 4-year-old daughter. She absolutely loves it. I have a 14-month-old son, and they go crazy for it. You don't have to, you're giving them healthy food, and that's so cool about this thing. So I want you guys to try this at home. Message if you really like it, if you tried it before, and then we're gonna start mixing it up and trying some new recipes for this nice cream. So I hope you guys love it because I'm excited, my kids are excited. Let's do this. Booyah!